What do working women really want? Let's talk about working moms. Every single day, 4 out of 5 working mothers in India feel guilty about not being there for their children, while not getting their due at work, and struggling with an overwhelming task list from all fronts. Stressful, isn't it? Research reveals a startling truth. This stress isn't just taking a personal toll, it's impacting your bottom line. A recent study suggests that companies in India lose crores annually due to the ripple effects of presenteeism, absenteeism, and decreased productivity stemming from this very issue. Over 180 companies across India started a unique trend to address this issue, prioritizing parental well-being. At Mentoria, we've designed a holistic program to make it happen. And the results are truly transformative.
And if you talk about any human being across the globe, irrespective of the location, I think family comes on the top. Our employee engagement score literally went by more than 15-20%.
It's not a function of just marks and getting through a particular competitive exam, but really building a career on what I call deeply embedded life interest. Not only would you have made a difference to your employees, but I think and their children, but you would have made a long-term societal contribution as a company.
Like he's 80% or 90% more clear now what he wants to do.
This counseling really helped me, and he's very confident now. And he has written down a few of the things which he has to go ahead in his career, and it was an awesome session.
There should be more such initiatives going forward, because it helps to build out of work kind of a bond with the organization.
Having an expert intervention in navigating through the tricky bits of a child's career.
So many of the managers have also spoken to us. So many of them have written the mail thanking us. So the impact has been very positive, I would say.
This Diversity Month, build an inclusive workplace that recognizes the importance of family structures and supports beyond the workplace.